Good morning everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Mike, this is High Altitude Trucks, and today we're lifting this Jeep Wrangler. It's the Unlimited 4-door, and we're doing a 3-inch kit on it with 35s. And as you can see, we're not just a truck shop, we also do Jeeps and some exotic car stuff. So we're gonna get this thing lifted and it's gonna be a good day.
Now we are taking off the lower control arm bolt right here.
Nice.
Connected to the frame. And after this, we got the front control arm, upper control arm on. Now we're going to put the lower control arm on.
We're test driving the car right now, and then we're gonna make sure it's all good and then release it to the customer. Well guys, we got the Jeep finished. We did a 3.5-inch rock crawler lift kit with the 35, 12, 50, 20 with these XD, I don't remember what these wheels are called, but they are true beadlocks. They look cool. They look really cool. They are a very cool wheel. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive. So right now we are going for a quick test drive, and we're gonna make sure this vehicle is all good, and if it is, then we're gonna release it to the customer. Steering wheel is straight, we got a good steering angle, and this vehicle's done.